All right. So, all right. Is there anybody in the audience? I'm gonna go out and work the crowd. You got.
Cool.
You got some crowd working music?
In the meanwhile, I'm going to play Polar Bear on Ice.
I don't understand. I'd like to work the back of the crowd because these people come and they don't. Oh, is this what I sound like back here? That was weird. It's like those Discovery World exhibits where you talk on the phone and you hear yourself in the ear but on a delay. I can't. Mm-hmm. I can barely pull it together back here. Like my lips move, and then a second later I hear my lips move. It probably sounds less exciting on the podcast. It probably sounds less exciting for everybody. This is just for me right now. Abracadabra, dabba 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 dabba. 3 hours later, wow, syllabus, red leather, yellow leather. What's your name?
Sam.
No, it's not. Crowd working. Sam, did your parents hit you?
I don't remember.
Well, then yes. How, like with implements? My dad hit me with a belt.
Your mother hit you with implants?
No. He said your mother hit you with implants? No, I said did they hit you with implements? My dad, for instance, hit me with a belt. Did your parents hit you with anything like a wooden spoon or?
No, I think before I had any memories I was spanked, but like I said, it must have hit me pretty hard.
Oh, okay.
Oh man. Hey Dan.
Yeah.
I have a bunch of animal sound effects up here that are pretty obscure. I'm going to play an animal sound effect. You pick a partner out there, and you guys can try to guess what the animal sound effect is. As an experiment.
Okay, I like Sam.
All right.
Are we competing? Am I competing with Sam?
No. Well, let's see. Gentleman with the checker. Yes. You holding your shirt. What's your name? Max.
Max. 2 T's.
Mats? Oh, it's Matt, like the actual name. Oh, okay, got it. Because Matt's isn't a name. Would you run up and join Spencer? Would you be Spencer's partner? Welcome to Guess the Sound Effect. / I'm so sorry that your dad hit you.
But he didn't really. I mean, He didn't really? I think they just probably smacked him in the butt when he touched a stove or something. That's the impression I'm getting.
I was talking about your dad.
Oh, my dad. Yeah. He knocked me around bad.
Okay. I was going to say, if your dad didn't hit you, why am I turned on by you all the time? All right, here we go. Animal sound effects. And just to give you an example, this animal sound effect is called dingo fight.
Dingoes.
Fighters.
Wait, where is that? Uh-oh. Oh, there it is.
Dingoes?
Anyway, that's dingo fight.
Okay.
All right, okay. Here we go. I'm going to play a sound effect, and the team to get closest to it the quickest wins. Don't know why I said it like that.
It's fancy.
I made it like I was a Jewish man at a deli for no reason. All right, here we go. Name an animal.
The teapot bird?
Sorry?
Sam said the teapot bird.
Teapot bird? No.
Swarming June bugs.
That's pretty close. It was Fly Swarm in Roebuck Bay, Australia. Very good. 1 point to audience dwellers.
Okay, let's play to 2.
All right, here we go. Question number 2.
Well, that's
no horse. A capybara.
Donkey. That is braying donkey in Brazil with parrots.
All right, this is the tiebreaker. Here it comes.
All right, Jeff. I know you're listening to this podcast.
We may edit this part out. As a rule, I edit all the stuff out that the audience is able to do in their car on the way here.
Jeff, I'll do better. It's gonna get better. All right, here we go.
Howler monkey. Nope. Non-howler monkey.
Bird.
Rhesus.
Some kind of bird.
Rhesus macaque.
I know what that is. That's one of those little fuckers. A fox.
Dingo's fighting again.
A double weasel.
Angry sloth.
You guys were close with Gibbon. Gibbon goes to the stage team, and they won the winner.
It's okay. We did all right. Let's have a hand for
And you
Sam
win
back there.
not having to talk to me about this bit after the show.
That's not. Everyone's free to fail here at Harmontown. It's not. You're not supposed to come up with a game show on the fly. That's not your responsibility, baby. Baby, I love you.
I love you too.